people sell at Vietnam fabric market.
Vải thiều lùng vàng Bắc Giang để làm.
And here is a close-up of the beautiful lychee garden. It's raining. The bunches of fabric are very beautiful. The lychee garden is ripe red. So wonderful Vietnamese farmers take care of lychees. It's time, lesson 9, and harvest to bring to market to sell. Vietnam Lychee Organic Fertilizer Care brings safety to users. The bunches of fabric are so beautiful, so wonderful, beautiful lychees. Show you organically grown lychees. Vietnamese farmers are very hardworking. Has brought beautiful fabrics for you to see. Here ends a day of visiting the lychee garden. Beautiful red ripe lychees are about to be sold. And now I end the video. See you next video. Wish you good health. Please subscribe to my channel.